Hi everybody, this is Language Live, Unit 6, Lesson 2. I am going to model you page 219 while you are working on your distance learning assignments this week. So if you would take your book and open it on page 219, we are going to complete page 219 first together. In this unit, we are talking about censorship of television and networks, radio networks. A network is a word that has more than one meaning. The word network can be a noun or a verb. How do we know which definition of the word is being used? It all depends on how it is used in a sentence. We look for clues around the word to help us. Have you ever heard someone say that he or she is networking? In this usage, the verb network means to establish business contacts who can help you professionally. And I will write an example of a sentence using this meaning of the word. The realtor attends many parties to network with other professionals. Okay, that's an example of a sentence. Let me see if I can copy this or cut and paste on the other line. Yep, okay. So you have an example of a sentence. If you would prefer to make your own sentence in your book, that is fine too, okay? I just came up with one example so you can follow along. Another meaning of the word network is long, thin things that meet or cross. And one example that comes to my mind is the network of veins on her leg makes a star pattern. So this is another meaning of the word network. Next one is computers connected by communication lines. And one example would be I am connected to my coworkers through a shared network. Okay, let me see if I can cut this and put it in the other line so you guys can see. My coworkers through, I forgot the T. Let me paste this here. There you go. So you have the sentence here. Another meaning would be a radio or television company that produces programs. And one example of a sentence, I watched my favorite show on the kids network. And And the last meaning is a connected group. Her network of friends brought her movies when she was in hospital. And we finished page 219. We are going to page 220 and we will do the same thing with the word average. Average means typical or normal in amount, quality, or degree. So let's make a sentence with that meaning. The watermelon we ate, oops, my spelling. The watermelon we ate was average in sweetness. It was not very sweet. It was average. Another meaning of the word average is the number you get when you add amounts and divide by the total number of amounts. Okay? And a sentence that goes with this meaning: the average test score for the class was 92%. Another meaning, average can mean an amount over time. Okay, let's write a sentence on our road trip. My dad averaged 6 hours per day in the car. Okay, let's go up here. Average can mean a ratio of successes to attempts. The baseball players batting average increased dramatically in the postseason. And the last meaning is average Joe. It's a typical person with no special qualities. And the sentence that would go along is, my dad is just an average Joe. There is nothing special about him. And that's it. Please complete these 2 pages in your Language Live books, and I will see you in class next week, and I am going to check your books. Thank you for following along. Bye.